House and Senate Republicans now probing texts between FBI agents Peter Strzok and official Lisa Page for evidence of potential political bias and leaks to the media. Look at this. The Justice Department currently has 27 ongoing criminal leak investigations. That's triple the prior 3 years combined. Some of the FBI texts show Peter Strzok and Lisa Page trying to track down, for example, New York Times reporter Matt Apuzzo. Even his lawyer and his wife, Matthew Apuzzo, covered the Russia collusion probe at the New York Times. Here's Lisa Page texting to Peter Strzok, quote, we've got a list of kids with their parents' names. How many Matt Apuzzos could there be in D.C.? Later said she found information on the reporter's wife, too, found a dress looking for her and the lawyer. In another text, Peter Strzok cautions Lisa Page about using the work smartphone to track down information, saying, quote, I wouldn't search on your phone, your work phone. No idea what that might trigger. And she responded, oops, too late. Let's bring in, look who's here, Fox News senior judicial analyst. He is Judge Andrew Napolitano. What's the implication of all this? What's going on here?
The implication is the public realization that the government employees are the best leakers in the business. And the Justice Department, whether it's being done for political purposes or to prejudice an audience to prejudice an array from whom jurors will be taken against a defendant in a criminal prosecution, will leak to its heart's delight, whether it's lawful or unlawful, whether it's ethical or unethical. So though I am dismayed by this, I am not surprised. And in some respect, it is gratifying because the public needs to know about it. This is not a left versus right. This is not a Trump versus Hillary, although in this case it apparently was. This is a culture in government which defies the rules that were written to regulate the government and leaks away.
You know, if this was against a Democrat president or a contender, right?
Well, then the mainstream media would be all over.
Right, but I'm saying swap out the name Trump. Your point is this is about the problem with this going on at the FBI.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Now, look, there are ethical constraints that prohibit them from leaking. I don't know that it was criminal. It would depend on what's leaked.
Let's show you some more text between Peter Strzok and Lisa Page that they knew about. It looks like they knew about a story before it was published in the paper, in a newspaper. Here's the inference that there was political bias leak. Quote, article is out, but hidden behind paywall, so can't read it. Wall Street Journal, boy, that was fast. No word from blank. Should I find it in quotes, meaning pretending to find it, and then tell the team? I mean, didn't James Comey manufacture a memo and then get it leaked to a Columbia University professor and then leak it to the media?
Well,
I mean, there was that going on, too.
Comey claims it was an accurate and contemporaneous description of his interactions with
No, but I'm talking about the culture of leaks at the FBI right now.
The culture of leaks is pervasive in law enforcement, not just in the Justice Department, but primarily in the Justice Department. If you talk to criminal defense lawyers, particularly white-collar criminal cases, that they are up against not only the lawyers on the other side of the courtroom, but anonymous leakers in the DOJ who are undermining them in the public sphere.
We don't have a lot of time remaining. We want to get to this story. Fusion GPS, they're the firm that was behind that anti-Trump Christopher Steele dossier.
Right.
The founder, Glenn Simpson, testifying for Senate Judiciary Committee. Those transcripts are out. It's revealing, Judge, that Christopher Steele had an active FBI official that he was talking to. So here's the backstory. Concoct this anti-Trump file. Does the FBI pay for it? Does the FBI then talk about it in leaks to the media before the election? Or anything?
The idea that the FBI offered to pay for this if he could corroborate it has been out there for a long time. It's my opinion that that's what happened. Not everybody agrees with me, and I have reasons for the opinion.
But James Comey won't say either way, right?
Correct. But now we know from Simpson's testimony that the FBI had a contact in the Trump campaign. We don't know if it was an undercover agent or just some human being that was spilling the beans to the FBI. What does this mean? Getting closer and closer and closer, my dear Elizabeth, to whatever the truth is.
Right. And Steele he was talking to somebody at the FBI as well.
Yes.
That came out of the Simpson.
He's talking to somebody at the FBI, and the FBI has a contact in the Clinton campaign, and Fusion GPS is coordinating all this.
Wow. I mean, with surveillance capabilities growing, and this is going on, you've pointed that out.
Yeah.
That's bad. Judge, we love having you on.